A simple rice flour dough is prepared. The dough is then put through a press and then steamed before ready to consume. These are called string hoppers or idiyappam. Let's start with 2 cups of string hopper flour, and I will add salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm also going to add 2 cups of boiling water, but the first cup is going to go right in and the second cup is going to be used, but with a little bit more caution. You can use plain rice flour as well. String hopper flour usually means that the flour is already roasted, so it makes it more convenient. Mix this vigorously together. It's too hot to handle, so I like to wear a glove just to give it a light knead. Now just allow this to cool down until it's warm to the touch. I'm just using a hand press here. You can use this to make string hoppers, but just by changing the disc, you can make other things too. I have 2 discs with holes. I'm going to start with the larger one just to show you how it looks. I also purchased these steaming baskets from the Sri Lankan store. You also get plastic ones, but I really love these as there's no greasing necessary. People also use other perforated surfaces to steam these. This press is quite small, as you can see. I'm looking to get myself a larger capacity electric one, so I will have to work quite fast as I don't want the dough to cool down and dry out as it gets harder to press. Start to turn the handle to release the hoppers. What I love about these baskets is that they stack, making it easy to steam multiple baskets at the same time. Working quickly, I'm going to refill and churn these out. You can create whatever steaming environment that you like. I'm using a simple pot with a trivet and a large perforated strainer. I'm going to place some of the baskets in here, and this will only need 5 to 7 minutes to cook. While it's steaming, I'm going to switch to the smaller hole disc. This is typically the size I prefer to use. Once the first batch is steamed and allowed to cool slightly, remove it, and as you can see, they release quite easily. This is perfect eaten freshly steamed with a curry of your choice. Enjoy.